What is going on, YouTube? I'm here, Lance. I'm going to start using this channel, Storm Watcher. I just wanted to give you a little update on the severe thunderstorms that are down in... oh yeah, I also have to warn you that I'm using internet because my Google does not work properly, so I will be using internet until I can get that fixed. So you'll see like stuff like that pop up. I can just get rid of that. But it is a large portion of Missouri and Arkansas, Oklahoma as well. Main risk is large hail of severe thunderstorms. They have already issued a watch. Now, this thing could work. Come on. There we go. No, don't do that. Alright, we're going to go to severe thunderstorms, severe weather, and look at this watch. See, that's what I'm talking about. So I'll just get that out of the way. So as you can see, there's already a severe thunderstorm watch box for the area. It'll want to work again. Severe thunderstorm watch was issued 37 minutes ago. It includes portions of southwestern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, northeastern Oklahoma, and extreme east central and southeast. I believe that's Nebraska, I believe. No, Kansas. Never mind. Kansas. So, oh yeah, with that, tornadoes very low. Tornadoes low. EF2 tornadoes very low. Severe wind and 65 knots plus for that stuff. For the wind is low. Severe hail is high. 2 inches plus hail is moderate. So we'll keep you updated. I'll try to get some EAS videos for you on this one. Can't promise you anything. Depends on if the computer will want to work or not. But yeah, so this will be the new one. This will be the new channel. It'll still have Lance Pieper, my other one, on there. But this will be the new channel. Thank you guys for watching, and welcome to Storm Watcher.